We finally reached the point where all we need to do is tell AI to build us an email list. Inside of NotebookLM, I've loaded up a source and I'm simply going to essentially tell it to get me leads. And all I've done is loaded up a source that is a guide for promoting a product over at ClickBank. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's really understand and focus where we're at here. We understand that we have a proven strategy. It's my proven top strategy: traffic to an offer and put people on an email list. Once you pick a topic, for example, if you're in the green power niche or the green niche, and you want to talk about the topic of generating power, you need to create consistent content. Then you need to create a super simple lead magnet, which is a lead in, which is a page that leads people into or over to your email list. So you drive traffic, phase one, to an offer on ClickBank that I'm going to show you in this example, and then you add people on an email list when you let them know about the offer using a super simple lead magnet. So we go back and we have this source. This source is simply the affiliate page for a ClickBank product. So to find that product or to find that affiliate page, you go over to the ClickBank marketplace. In this example, we're talking about green products. And here is the product easy power plan. You click on that, it loads up all the information you need to know to promote this as an affiliate. What we're interested in here is the affiliate page. The affiliate page here, we're just going to copy this URL. It's going to give us all the information to include some email swipes that we're going to use then over in NotebookLM, and we're going to tell NotebookLM inside the chat that I want to get leads or attract people that might be interested in this product. Give me 3 examples for lead magnet ideas that identify the problem and this product as the solution. Here are the lead magnets. I'll go ahead and close that source. Here are 3 lead magnet ideas that identify a problem and this product as a solution based on the provided information. The source, the affiliate page that is provided for us that we're feeding into NotebookLM to let the AI then give us 3 lead magnet ideas. 5 ways your energy bill is skyrocketing and how to unleash it. Gives you a little summary here explaining what that lead magnet would be about. Lead magnet 2 is your home energy efficient. Take this quiz and find out. Lead magnet number 3, the shocking truth about traditional energy sources and the DIY solutions big energy doesn't want you to know. It appeals to a sense of distrust in traditional energy. This is your focus on generating leads or creating a lead magnet to attract specific people that are interested or have this problem or want a solution for this problem that they have, the distrust in major energy companies. But let's go back to lead magnet number 2. Is your energy efficient? Take this quiz and find out. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to copy this, and we're going to go over to another tool to actually generate the lead magnet, or as I was showing you inside the affiliating Profitable Online Business 9-Step Roadmap, utilizing the proven top strategy of generating traffic. We know our topic now is about green energy. And of course, we know we need to create consistent content. We need to find the tools, the tech, and the time to start creating that consistent content. Then one of those tools that we need is something to create the super simple lead magnet to add people to our email list, because we need to move up to pillar number 2, or the foundational phase of presenting our offer to people and then add them to an email list so we can follow up with them or let them know more about the offer to earn a commission. But it starts here with a tool to create that super simple lead magnet. We go back to NotebookLM, and remember, we're just copying this information right here from NotebookLM, utilizing this information that it gave us once we essentially just told NotebookLM to, hey, get me some leads. Then we're going to go over to a product that I use called LeadCreator. We're going to click this green button. It says create a lead magnet. Then what we're going to do is we're going to create a lead magnet here for green energy. And I'm just going to type in the name lead magnet 2 for green energy. Here you'd select the category. Those would be categories for what you're doing. So for example, I have categories for my blog, for a Facebook post, or if I was going to create a YouTube video here on 30-Minute Marketing. And I want to come in here and I want to create a lead magnet utilizing something or one of the 13 different types of lead magnets here to include a blank lead magnet, raw chat GPT, different listicles. I can also create micro courses or create an ebook. But if we just went to raw chat GPT and we just posted this in here, this is now using AI, OpenAI and chat GPT in the back end of LeadCreator to create this lead magnet, and we select create. It's going to start generating the lead magnet. It's going to load up, and you can see here, just a moment, we're making your content shine. And understand that now this is inside of LeadCreator. With one click, we're utilizing the AI to create the page that we need when we go back to our strategy. Once we start generating traffic based upon this topic, and we start creating this consistent content, and we present our offer with this super simple lead magnet that LeadCreator is going to create for us right now, and then essentially just lead people over to our email list, or put them on our email autoresponder. And essentially what we've done there is we have drawn a nice number 2, because that is step number 2, or pillar number 2, is letting people know about our offer, in this case an affiliate offer, and then we're going to add those people to an email list. And we're doing that because in step 2 of the 9-step roadmap, understanding we need traffic, we know we need certain tools, and in this case a tool to generate or to create a super simple lead magnet and add people to an email list based upon the information that we got right here, with just simply telling NotebookLM to, hey, create me a lead magnet, or generate me leads, give me ideas to create a lead magnet. Now we go back to LeadCreator, and you can see here, is your home energy efficient? Take this quiz and find out. And now we're just formatting this quiz, we're formatting this information, we're getting rid of things like introduction, and it has this information here, and it talks about tips, and it gives a quiz. Or if we wanted to dive even deeper, because this is, just saying, hey, the quiz assessing your home energy, you can see here, this quiz is designed to take you through a series of questions. What if we were to take those series of questions and say, okay, take this information, ask the AI now to generate me a checklist. So I'm going to highlight that, and I'm going to put in a prompt, create me an interactive checklist with checkboxes, and then give me a grading matrix after the questions have been answered to give a score for the quiz, to move the quiz taker onto a CTA, a call to action of checking out the affiliate product I'm promoting at my affiliate link. And then here I could also include my affiliate link. And to get that affiliate link, you would just go back to the marketplace and click get your affiliate link, or you go back to the affiliate page, and it's going to give you that information here. It's going to show you the default hop link. In this case, we'll just go ahead and we'll just copy that as an example. This would be your affiliate link though. Understand that you take that back to LeadCreator and you'd put your affiliate link in here. Then you would just tell LeadCreator at this point to go and utilize the AI and have it generate the home energy efficiency quiz. And you can see here, it's creating a checklist. Then when this is finished, all you need to do is insert that below. Then you come up here, and now inside of your lead magnet, is your home energy efficient? Take this quiz and find out. You have all this information about understanding home efficiency, and then you have a quiz, and then the quiz is actually interactive. So they take the quiz. As you answer each question, you'll gain insights into how your home performs in terms of energy consumption and where improvements can be made. They're going to take this quiz, and as they take the quiz, they'll complete it, or after they take the quiz, they'll complete it, but they're also seeing all the information that they need to understand about the problem and your product being the solution, and then they'll grade themselves. Then here you have the call to action. Based on your score, you want to explore further improvements. Check out this energy efficient guide. That right there, when you click this, or when they click this, if you hover over it, that's going to be your hop link for ClickBank. That's your affiliate link. And to go ahead and finalize this inside of LeadCreator, all you need to do is come down to the email capture form, set up your template. It's going to create the capture form right here. Go ahead and set the form fields right here. Here we just want to use a compelling title. Is your home energy efficient? Take the quiz and find out. And then they just need to take the quiz. So the button label would be, yes, I'm ready to, and you can see the form changing there, take the quiz. And you can see now that we have that opt-in form. Is your home energy efficient? Take this quiz and find out. Yes, I'm ready to take the quiz. They're going to enter their name and their email. Go back to where we're at right now. Remember what we're doing. We're focused on generating traffic over to a super simple lead magnet to present this offer, because that is phase 2 of building a profitable online business using the top strategy. Then we want to add people to an email list. This opt-in form is part of the super simple lead magnet that AI just created for us. And we're in the email capture form, and we go ahead and say, okay, let's save those changes, because we want to make sure that that is saved. And then we're going to select the trigger. The trigger in this case is just going to be a simple blurred timer. After 3 seconds, this is going to blur out the information or the quiz. We're going to go back to the content editor. we're going to click the publish button, and this is going to publish the page that is going to be the squeeze page to let them take the quiz. I click on the view button. Now you can see our super simple lead magnet has been created, the page, and now we have that blurred out. So now they've seen the information on the page, and now they're like, oh man, I really want to take this quiz to find out if my home is energy efficient. I'm going to enter my name and my email. And then when they enter their name and their email and agree to the privacy policy, yes, I'm ready to take the quiz. Now they're in here and they are taking the quiz. You can see here that quiz is already checked off. So when you're editing your lead magnet inside of LeadCreator, make sure that you update that appropriately. I do that all the time because I'm too excited to use these checklists. Just uncheck them and click update. And this is another cool feature about the LeadCreator AI. Right here inside the page, if your quiz changed, or let's just say, and see, I already checked that one. I didn't check that one off as well. We'll go ahead and update that again. But if something was to change, for example, if your product that you were promoting, or if they changed affiliate programs and you need to change your link, you would just come in here and change that link, click the update button, go ahead and go back and just reload that. Of course, it's not going to give me the opt-in form because I've already opted in. So now people can come back to this page and take the quiz or get updated information as much as they want. And they're going to walk through this and they're going to take this quiz and they're going to grade themselves. And then they're going to come down here and they're going to say, oh yeah, based on my score, I definitely want to check out this product, and they're going to click that link. But the point here was that you used NotebookLM simply by just loading up that source that you found over on the ClickBank Marketplace, the affiliate page. You went to that affiliate page, you just grabbed the URL of this page. It has all this information, and we went back into NotebookLM, and we just simply said, and I'll close the source again, and I simply just said, I want to get lead magnets or attract people. Essentially, I said, go find me people, get me leads, give me a way to generate a lead magnet. And I took this lead magnet idea here, a quiz, and I ran with it by simply going over to the tool LeadCreator and let the AI, so I'm using the power of AI in NotebookLM and now in LeadCreator to generate that quiz, and it generated that page, and it added, essentially, it added that person to my email list, and NotebookLM and LeadCreator did all that with the power of AI with just a few clicks. And that's what I want to show you in this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.